Yes, guys, these funny animals, creatures are getting over $2,000 per month. It's only a 4-month-old listing, man. Like 24 monthly sales. It's crazy. People love funny. People love pets. Put them together, you're getting funny pets, man. Funny pets, guys. If you love videos on Etsy and how to find those amazing niches, then please hit the like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. And please share, because it's always nice to share. You know, we share knowledge, we share income, passive income, and all of that craziness. So please share it, man. I love sharing. So check this one out, man. Check this one out. Look at it. It's these funny animals, these hilarious animals. Look at their look at their faces, man. Look at that hedgehog. Look at that little cat, man. That cat is looking at me and it's angry, man. It is angry. Look at that cat. Oh God, that is scary. So these funny pets, animals are really getting to be popular, man. Look at that frog, man. Oh God. 1,500 PNG bundle, and that's the key to this. Having a big bundle is the key. I keep saying it. Sell those big bundles, man. Funny animal mega bundle, right? And you know, again on the listing, showing you how you can use it. Lovely wall art, tote bag, mug, whatever you want, you can do it. That's the versatility with clip arts, man. That's the versatility. But listen, how do we know this is actually a thing? Well, I tell you what. We just kind of have to look down and see what's going on. So if you go down using EVERBEE, my go-to nugget finder, mate, check it out. The link is in my description. This is the place where I can find all my nuggets. So using EVERBEE, which I'm on the product analytics now, I can check and see that one 1,500 bundle, 4-month-old listing making $2,000. Here's another one. This is just one single PNG, and this is a Tumblr wrap. Now the other one was clip art. This is Tumblr's 1,000. This is a 3-month-old listing making 1,564. It's got a crazy conversion rate of over 17%. I can't even look because my eyes won't let me, because that 17% is dirty. No way. It's crazy. 17.46%, man. Let me have a look at this listing. That's all it is. They're not even funny looking. They don't even look funny. But the word funny seems to work. So funny animals, especially in the sort of dogs, cats, chickens, whatever it is, they seem to work, right? Now, this is a bestseller, and it's less than 3 months sold, and it's making over $1,500. $1,560. Crazy. Now that's mad. 391 sales, 391 sales in the last month, man. So what are we saying? We are saying that funny animals works, right? It works. Look, we got funny ducks over here. Look at this. And by the way, these are all different sellers. It's not the same seller, so don't be saying to me, yeah, but it's the same seller, AJ, mate. It's the same seller. They know what they're doing. Well, it's 3 different sellers there. 3-month-old listing making $506. So tell me something. Funny ducks, man. Funny ducks. Check it out. Look at that. Do they look funny? They don't look funny. They look cute to me, but adding the funny element seems to work. So these beautiful watercolor baby ducks with that beautiful flowery thing going on around it, and it's only a 1 digital download. It works really well, man. It works really well. So you know what? Funny animals works, man. Now listen, the other thing is this is on a Tumblr, right? Tumblr wrap. So it's a digital download. Boom. No physical thing. Digital download. So the other one also is clip arts. That seems to work really well. Yeah, that's another one that works really well. But then look, here's another. It's a 2-month-old listing. Again, a different seller. So look, some of these sellers have understood that this one's the one. It's a 2-month-old listing, this one, guys. It's making 938. 2-month-old listing, right? So look, some confirmation. Now this is slightly different angle, because when you got to look at you got to focus. Funny little Highland cow, funny cat, funny fox, funny zebra, funny bear. But this time there's a little bit of an angle where they've got balloons and hats. So they've kind of given that sort of birthday, that party angle to it, which is cool as well. But again, funny creatures, funny animals, funny, you know, and look, just showing you how it can be used. So listen, man, listen very carefully. Funny sells, man. Funny does sell on Etsy, right? Funny caricatures, funny this, and funny that. Now here's another funny I'm going to give you, right? Check this out, man. Check this out. Look at this. This is a happy, well, Valentine's PNG, Highland cow, Valentine's thing, combination, that Western country cow, funny, looking at you with sunglasses, right? Slightly different angle, but an interesting one too. But what I like about this is a combination. This is a one digital download, guys, right? It's a combo. Highland cow, which is quite nice, got that funny element with the sunglasses. Valentine's, because you can see the hearts. And then tell the cows to come home, tell the cows to come home, right? So look, it's a different angle, the t-shirt design, right? But listen, it's kind of funny. It does have a funny element to it. It tells you, look, funny Valentine's PNG, right? But with an animal on it. Got sunglasses, but added that Valentine flavor. I can imagine this being a Christmas, Halloween flavor too. They could also sell really well. Only $2.72, so on a 50% sell, but it is still making around $794 per month, guys. I'm telling you, funny sells, man. Funny sells. Yeah, so look at that. That's a mad one. The Highland cow. And you know how I've spoken about Highland cows so many times. Highland cows are popular, my friends. And look, here's another one. Look, I'm just going to give you another funny one, right? Slightly different kind of funny, but funny still nonetheless. And this one is another product. This one is a wall art, man. It's a wall art making $708. This one. It's a Highland cow that's just gone, look, laughing at me. Look at that. Bathroom style. Highland cow drying with a towel. Highland cow drying with a towel, man. Highland cow drying with a towel. Now, who would have guessed it, man? So this is a wall art specific, yeah, funny little thing, and look, giving you different styles that you can have. Again, there is that funny element to it, right? But a different idea. It's a different product. This is what I'm trying to say. There are many sub niches or sub ideas within the funny sort of thing, right? And here's another one. Look, these are quite, I mean, these are funny with words, right? Again, these are digital downloads, $432. Funny sublimation. These are mug designs, right? And it's got words around it that are quite funny too. So you got, let's go, let's get caffeinated, man, with a laughing cat. Then you got this one called not in the mood. That's so look at this one. Not even Google will be able to find you, man. Touch my coffee, I'll slap you so hard, man. I've got a bad feeling. Seriously, man. Seriously. So this one is different. It's using words, man. It's using words with the funny caricatures. So that's another angle too that you could kind of look at. Funny sublimation. These are mug design specific. So actually, we've looked at so many different products that actually do sell these funny animals, and it works in many different products. So that's another tick. A confirmation that it sells in different products, making $432. But like I said, personally, I'd use the easy way, and I'll just do a nice bundle of funny images, sell it as a clip art, don't spend too much time, and see where it goes, man. See where that goes. And I'm telling you, it's a really good chance that it can do well. So yeah, as I keep saying so many times, but this is what you need to do. Just type in funny animal, funny cow, funny this, funny that, and then see what the results reap, and then actually just go for it, man. Just go for it, man. Anyways, I want to leave it at that. But if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. And don't forget to share, man, because that's what we do here.